Hey, how you doing? I seen you in this DFW business group, and I just want to make this little short video for you real quick. So there's something I call the MCMs. It's called more calls, more sales, right? And these are the things that you need to utilize in order to get those to grow your business, right? Because business is leads, sales, service. If you're not getting any leads, this might be why, especially if you're not having these basic online setups. So you're doing dryer vent cleaning, Collin County. This is cool, right? So let me just dryer vents. Let me see. Dryer vents. What's in Collin County? Like Frisco, Allen. So wherever you live, this is something you want to do. All right, whether it's Plano or Frisco or McKinney, somewhere around here, this is what you want to do. First thing you want to do is you want to build or set up your free GMB map listing. Right? Where's that thing at? It's right here. So your GMB map listing. Where's your Facebook page at? Let me see what you got going on. Driving squad. Okay. So you already got that. So this is it right here. All right, you got one review. What you want to do is you want to go inside of this thing and you want to make sure all of your information is filled out to the T. You want to make sure, see, you guys don't even have your main category listed in here. What does that look like? Like, let me show you mine. Let me just upshot. All right, just type in upshot. See what these categories. So you see here how it should have like a, a primary category right here. That's what you want. So if you don't know how to find that, you can go to type in like G&B business categories or something right here, and just look like see like dryer vents. Let's see like vents. It's dryer vents, dryer. I don't know if that's a real service, but what you want to do is find other people. It doesn't matter if they're local or not. Like they could be in California. Find other people that fix dryer vents and see what they're doing, right? So to keep this short, I want to keep this short because I know you're on time and I'm on time. You want to have that G and B optimized, like optimized, decked out, filled out, primary category. You got your info, you got your services listed, you got descriptions for your services, you got pictures uploaded, all that jazz, right? You guys have a website right here, Collin County. Awesome. So this is obviously a franchise. It's what it looks like. It's a franchise, which is cool. There's nothing wrong with franchises, right? But the problem I see with franchises most of the time is that, yeah, they have this badass business model, but they don't have no leads coming in. It's like, okay. And then some of you guys have to spend money with the franchisers who control how like the ads, you know what I mean? They control the ad spend. Like you got to pay them so much money and they don't even do nothing for you. Like, okay? So optimize that GMB. Then you got content. Well, this is obviously a franchisor website. It's what it looks like. And I don't think you have the ability to go in here and edit your own page. If you did, that would be awesome. If not, we need to come up with another solution, such as building a lead gen specifically for, uh, your services. So it wouldn't be Collin County. Like it's crazy to try to dominate a whole county. It would say like McKinney. So we say like, look, check this out. See how like they're number one. All these guys are the top dogs, and this is what I was talking about right here. This is probably what I was talking about. This is actually a free website from Google, you know? That's what's crazy. And they link back to themselves. Awesome. So you want to have probably a separate lead gen. It's a separate website specific to a specific town. It could be Frisco, it could be Plano, it could be Dallas, just McKinney, right? And it's a website pretty much based tailored to that town for that specific service or dryer vent cleaning. Okay, I mean, that's what I would do. After that, citations. So let me type in your phone number. Dryer vent. Facebook is giving you guys a citation. You are on Home Advisor, paying for leads that are probably not doing shit for you. Um, and looks like that's it as far as your citations. Now, you got Foursquare, you got Yellow Pages, you got Home Advisors actually giving you a citation. You got like, there's hundreds of places to list your business so that they can start citing your company online. All right. These are just a handful. I mean, you even got Instagram, you know, uh, there's a lot of different places. So you can just type in business citations and a big list will come up. Okay. Start utilizing those, filling those out. Then you got backlinks. So backlinks is pretty much what's gonna separate you from your competition, and that's gonna give you the juice that you need to start ranking on the page one, like these guys, where they at? Like these guys are here. Okay, obviously reviews play a big role, and they have a keyword name off of a Facebook, off of a free Google website. So they set up a GMB, and inside of that GMB, they use that free Google website, right? And it's just they use keywords in their freaking business name, which is why they're ranking in McKinney. So if we did Plano, what would happen? All right, same thing. So yeah, so start utilizing these key elements that I'm explaining to you. You know, set up that GMB. If you don't want to build a site, go inside of the GMB at the on the left side. You'll see like where it says website. Go ahead and deck out that free website, right? Add some content to it, build some citations, and build some backlinks, and you guys are gonna be booming. All right, trust. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching.